Where you got me at, bro?
Listen, man, I want to do a video on something different. Like, I want to. Like, can you please watch out? You know, like, I want to do something different. Like, I want to like see some animals or something like that. You know, kind of like back home.
I don't see no animals in the fucking woods.
You trying to film a bear? What are you trying to do, man?
I'm just trying to like do something.
I told you if you want to film some animals, at least go next door and get the dog or something.
It's not about payment. It's about content. Have you heard of content before? I love content. Look, chicken. Right there, they love you. Let's do it. Now, I really like the essence of this, okay?
This is somebody else's property. This is another nigga's property. You can't be here.
I don't think any niggas live here. Anyway, so let's get some of this film of the chickadees right here, okay? Now, I want you to get some nice close-ups of the wings and the breast. I like chicken breast. When you see a chicken, you gotta make sure you grab it. Come here. I have some things in this. I don't know what this is, but
is that rat shit in your pocket? What is that?
Tastes like sticks. What you doing now, baby? Huh? What you gonna do? Oh no, no, no!
Finally caught one, man.
Yes, I finally did. So let me tell you how to feed chickens. Okay.
So no.
Okay. Okay. Let me show you how to feed some chickens.
Okay.
So, one thing you have to do.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Catch him, man.
Okay. Oh shit! My sauce film.
Here. Take the sauce.
Okay, look.
They want the sauce, look. They smell the sauce.
Oh, we're not eating this?
No, give me the fucking... You can't fucking put that on chicken, dog.
This chicken is giving me some good looks. Yeah, I want to do some things with this chicken, actually.
Don't fuck the chicken.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be right back.
Cooking chicken, you know I need the chicken around me when I'm flipping, get the chicken. Delivery and flipping with a chicken. Hey, 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 hey. They are pleasant creatures, though.
Okay, oh shit. Okay, I'm getting very nervous.
Let's wrap it up.
Okay, ready? Scooby snacks.
Chicken out of there, man. Get him out. He's stuck.
Oh shit.
Get him out.
Okay, hold on. Oh shit. Okay, all of them are over here. Chris, help me out! Yo, help me out. Stop holding the fucking camera right now. Just take out the chicken.
Okay, damn. Grab the fucking chicken.
Okay, let's wrap this up right now.
Bro, get the
Thank you so much for watching another episode of Maburu Live. My name is Maburu. If you want to visit me, come to my house.
Yeah, man. Let's get out of here. Did you leave anything behind? Because we need to go right now.
I don't know. I was doing some pleasure things with that chicken previous.
Yeah.
But
What the fuck are you doing back here?
white people are coming. Where's my stick? I need my stick.
Fuck the stick. Let's go.
No, I need my stick.